Hey guys, this is the third part of the introduction, and it's about you want to present your SketchUp model you did to the clients or to the carpenter. So one option is the fully procedure that you give or you tell your clients or your carpenter or those who work with you, other craftsmen, to recommend them installing SketchUp Make as you did, and then they can also work with it. So there would be participation with it. But if it's only about viewing, this is an easy program, the SketchUp Viewer you find on the materials. Then you can also show how your clients your model by just opening it in the viewer. So you see here the SketchUp Viewer. You see what we did already, and there's a minimized toolbox there, so your clients would be able to look at this model you did. And what the possibilities they have is they can also print it. There is a model info, and then there are the certain predefined styles. So one is this style, the other one is from the top, the next one is just a wall from each side of your, like that. And then you have already a preview on styles. So this is, for example, a transparent way you see the construction inside. Then you have the back edges so that you see it in the 3D with dotted lines. You see how the construction is made. You see black and white skeleton, or again with the dotted lines. If I turn that off and on, you see there are several possibilities how your clients could view on this model, and they can shift it as you could shift. They could zoom in and zoom out naturally. And they can also walk in or view it from different positions. So this is and naturally I can use also the menu for that. You can, as I said, print it. This would be a 2D version of what you see here exactly. You can turn off the guides or section cuts or X's. You can turn on the shadows, for example, so that you have it in a kind of more realistic sun shaded version, for example. Yeah, so this is what we also will do, shading, and depending on the time of the day, the shades will look different. But this is, for example, because this is the south side here, the red line is the south side. So this is the lightest side yeah. And you see a lot of previews here. And you can go to the standard bars also here. You can make a parallel projection. This works better naturally in one view, so that, for example, this or the back side of the house, the top here with a shadow, or you can again turn off the shadow under views, turn it off, and then you have it exactly from the top, like it would be a floor plan. So this is easy to explain to your clients and to present something you did in SketchUp. Okay. And what you have here, this is what you can do before naturally in SketchUp, but this is the minimalistic view where maybe your clients are not overwhelmed by the possibilities and they don't start to play around. They just can view on what you want to focus on, and in this case it's the construction and how the construction for a straw bale building is made. Okay. that was it. This few short introduction in the Sketchup Viewer and how you could present your model to your clients. Okay,